All right, let's move on to the controversy on Netflix's new show, IC-814, The Kandahar Hijack, after the makers of the show were accused of essentially whitewashing the ISI's role and using Hindu code names, aliases for the hijackers. Now a plea has been filed in the Delhi High Court to actually ban the show. The plea says false names of hijackers have been used. Now, the Netflix content head has been summoned by the INB Ministry, the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Hitting out, government sources have told India Today that the show plays with sentiments of the people and that India's culture must be respected, adding that filmmakers must think twice before portraying facts wrongfully. Sources also said that foreigners can't go ahead and slipshod over Indian values, and one may be a liberal, but institutions can't be shown in a false light. And that's why the Netflix content head has been summoned. Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us live with more details on this. Aishwarya, the government has summoned the Netflix content head. Is there a possibility, Aishwarya, of the government going ahead and urging Netflix to pull down the show now amid the controversy?
Well, something like that, Akshita, we have not seen so far. But from what we are understanding, the government is very, very keen. And that's what, it's not the first time that they have been telling players like Netflix. They have been having conversations over the past 20 years. The government very specifically believes that there are incidents that have taken place. But what content writers need to be very, very sure of is that the facts are not meddled with. They believe at the moment that the representation which is being done with regards to all those people who were involved in the hijack, that representation is not the fact. Things have been distorted. So that's something that they want an explanation on. And from what we are understanding, the meeting will take place today. And by evening, we will get a very clear picture of what the government wants Netflix to do. But yes, they have taken note of the fact that facts were not told, specifically with something horrific that took place here in India. With regards to that, there is a possibility that they might ask some things to be deleted. Pulling down the content at the moment, Akshita, I don't think that will happen. But yes, some rectification, that is something that the government obviously wants Netflix to do at the moment.
Okay, Aishwarya, thanks very much for joining us with all of those details. We'll track really the outcome of that meeting that takes place and is expected to take place any time now.